I've been looking for a colorful solution to help me with a project I'm working on specifically and just life in general. I was working in Canva Whiteboard and somebody suggested that I give Kinopio a try. It is a web-based and also app designed by Puri. He is the creator and he calls it a spatial thinking tool for building ideas and solving hard problems. It's kind of like Notion meets a mood board meets a little touch of obsidian in there. It's just got a lot that can be done with it. This is that first impressions, exploring Kinopio. Let's go have a look. One of the things that has me really excited about it is the fact that you can take stuff from reminders and look, they are all there just like that. I don't remember if I cut or copied. You can do both. And so now I can just move these around in here. Now when they come in default to the color down here, which you can change, but then you can make them all cross-offable, checkboxable. You can change the colors. So I could make categories for areas of life. I can copy them or move them to another space. Hi, I'm Em. I talk about things planning, productivity, and systems that you can really use. So as you can imagine, I'm very curious about something like Kinopio. Another way I'm using this is to gather resources. Now, you might be a creator, you might be a student, you might just have various interests where you like to collect things on topics. But you can do YouTube embeds like this, or you can gather text or links to documents or links to websites or images. And so I use this both when I'm researching a topic now or just to organize my own stuff. So yet another great use for Kinopio. I'm really anxious to get into it and try some things, and I have done a little bit, but I've been holding off, one, because I don't have the time to do what I really want to do, and two, I wanted to make a first impressions video before hopefully things start to be second nature and I don't remember what my hangups were to start with. So this is the home page for Kinopio. A page is called a space. You see down at the bottom it says you can duplicate the space. The space is what you might think of as a board. And the main elements that you use are cards. So this is a card, this is a card, this is a card, this is a card. You can connect them. You can have images as cards, or you can have image cards. I don't know which way you would say that. You can put boxes to group cards. I have not played with boxes yet. This little greenery is called a frame. I have not played with frames yet. There are lots of things that I haven't looked at yet because I didn't want to go down the rabbit hole too far until I did this initial thoughts thing. There are tags. I'm interested to find out about tags, and you can share boards, so there's commenting features. Here's a box that's transparent. You see here is the creator of Kinopio, Puri, stating some stuff, and he's accessible besides emailing him, as it says here. If we go back up to the top, when you click here, it takes you to this page, and there's lots of tutorials and examples, but I'm just going to go all the way to the bottom and show you there's also a Discord server and a support forum. I've asked a few things on the Discord, and he's gotten right back to me. It's been awesome. If you use Kinopio or you've tried Kinopio, I would love to hear what you've done with it, or if you have ideas for it that you want to try yourself or you want me to give a try, you think I might enjoy, I'd love to hear those as well. And I know that I'm going to be doing more of these Kinopio videos, so if you want to see what I've put up there, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss one. Thanks.